Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Many IELTS students believe coherence and cohesion is just using linking words like however and moreover. This misunderstanding alone can keep you stuck at band 6. In IELTS, coherence is about the logic of your ideas. The examiner is asking one question. Does this answer progress naturally or does it feel confused? A coherent answer has one clear main idea per paragraph, a logical order, and no sudden jumps in thinking. You can use perfect grammar and still lose marks if your ideas are poorly organized. Cohesion is different. It refers to how your ideas are connected on the surface level. Yes, linking words are needed, but they are not enough. Examiners also look at referencing words like this, these, such, pronouns like it and they, repetition of key terms in a controlled way. Overusing connectors actually sounds unnatural and can lower your score. Look at this sentence. Education is expensive. Moreover, education is important. Furthermore, education helps society. Sounds mechanical, right? Now look at this sentence. Education is expensive. However, this cost is justified by its long-term social benefits. Such investments lead to a more skilled workforce and greater economic stability. Notice how ideas are connected through meaning and not linking words? A band 7 plus script reads like an academic argument and not a list of sentences joined together. If your paragraph can be summarized using one clear sentence, your coherence is strong. So remember, coherence is about how you think. Cohesion is about how you connect. Master these two and your score will improve even without using advanced vocabulary. Hope you found this video useful. Bye.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം Neethus അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.